Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming pattern size and seam allowance, and then mark shoulder and side seam points so you have reliable anchors. Once done, place tracing paper over the pattern and transfer notches and dart tips. This preserves balance. Make a light guideline for the highest point of the armhole and the lowest point under the arm. These control curve shape. Use a flexible ruler or French curve now to prepare for the actionable shaping steps. You now shape the curve by aligning a French curve from the shoulder point to the underarm. Hold steady and draw light strokes. This prevents overshoot. As you refine, check curve depth against body measurements. A common range is 5 to 9 cm, and you can add ease if the sleeve needs movement. Once happy, smooth any kinks by reworking small sections with the curve tool. Make sure to keep balanced left and right armholes for even fit. You finish by cutting a muslin and assembling key seams to test the armhole in real fabric. This reveals issues the flat pattern can't. Once fitted, move your arm through the sleeve to check mobility and look for gaping at the bicep. Make incremental changes like lowering the armhole by 0.5 to 1 cm to fix a gap, or raising it by 0.5 cm if it's tight. If things still go wrong, recheck shoulder slope.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.